Good morning, welcome back to the Viezu workshop. Today we've got an F-Type SVR in. Returning customer, already had a top pulley and a map. Very happy with the performance, but now wants to go on to the next stage. So today he's back in for a lower crank pulley, charge cooler, new charger belt, obviously adjusting the map, putting it back on the dyno, and hopefully reaching that 650 target. Right, the first dyno's done, just read the ECU, time to send that upstairs, get them to sort the map out for me while I get it on the ramp and start the work.
So the team in the workshop have just sent up the file for the F-Type SVR. Now this is a bit of a special engine today because this is having not only a remap, a reduced upper pulley, but it's also having an enlarged crank pulley. So this is a very custom modification on this car, so we need to go a little bit more in depth into the file and make all the necessary changes to support this really big power and torque upgrade on this vehicle. So we're looking at one of the lambda for component protection maps here. And it's important with any vehicle tuning, whether petrol or diesel, that the fueling, the AFRs, are set to the correct targets that we need for that mode at the time. Now with this very big sort of power upgrade on this car, with the lower crank pulley being enlarged, the smaller top pulley and the remap, we don't just have to add fuel where it's required for the performance side of things, we actually have to make adjustments to the fueling and lean it out in certain places where it's a little bit too rich, overly safe if you like, from the factory. So to get the full performance on this, there are a few extra changes we'd make above and beyond a normal sort of tune for a map and an upper pulley to compensate for the fact that we've put the larger lower crank pulley on there. So I'll make this little change now just to finish off this map, and that's our protection map done. So obviously many other fueling maps we need to adjust as well, and of course the team will carry on with those before we get the file sent back downstairs.
Right, all the parts are fitted, new charge coolers on, lower crank pulleys on, new belt. Time to get it strapped back down, get the map back from technical, see how she gets on. Right, second run's completed, very happy with the results. Exceeded expectation, she's running 670 brake and 680 foot-pound of torque. We've got 3 stages on here, one out through stock, one with just the top pulley and map on, and one with the full VIP kit. So I'm going to talk you through each stage. Stock ran 530 foot-pound of torque. With the top pulley and map on, it's 575 foot-pound of torque. With the full VIP kit on, it shoots straight up to 680 foot-pound of torque. Horsepower wise, massive difference when the lower pulley's on as well. She's now running 670 brake horsepower after all the modifications done. Another F-Type all completed and done. Customers over the moon with the figures, hitting 670 brake horsepower some feet. If you want your vehicle or your Jag tuned, drop us an email at info@viezu.com or call us on 01789 77 44 44. Thanks a lot.